Hello, everyone. Today I have a brief showcase of one of the very many projects I've been working on. I've been working on projects for the 3D space, software engineering space, and even personal projects. So bear with me if I'm not able to post videos at least once a week, besides gameplay videos or commentary videos. Regarding commentary videos specifically, as you would imagine, there is a lot that I could comment on right now. I wish it weren't the case though. So I did plan on making a brief commentary video when the news took the turn it did earlier this month, but I've been caught up with one project or another basically. So let me know though if you enjoy commentary recordings that I've made thus far, and I'll try to return to the older 5 recordings per week post schedule. Okay. So today, however, I present to you Ladi. Okay, so Ladi is the latest in the lineup of Devkits I had planned to release following Mandy. Given that the shapes physics creating approach started with the Mandy body, I wanted to showcase what the physics would look like on a variety of bodies. Okay, so in that light, Ladi is the latest. Ladi comes after the release of Jade and the shapes physics update for the Nina and Dina bodies. So it goes without saying that using the Ladi kit, right, it works the exact same way as the Jade kit. So if you're looking for a tutorial, the 2-part Jade series I made earlier would be of good use to you. What's unique about Ladi at the moment is that Ladi is actually the first of the kits to come with a layers painter right from the start. The Jade kit currently has a layers painter, but that came as an update. Other than that, Ladi is just a new shape to test shapes physics on. If you are interested in making 3D rigged accessory clothing for the Ladi body, be sure to check out the download link in the description. For texture artists, Ladi comes with a layers painter, so you can paint your opacity maps directly in Blender or a 3D program of your choice. Be sure to let me know what you think of this in the comments. If you feel there's a need for a tutorial specifically for the Ladi body, be sure to leave that opinion in the comments. But please check out the Jade tutorial series first. Also, regarding questions you might have or feedback you'd be willing to share, they are all welcome in the comment section. Thank you for being a part of this, and I'll see you in the next one.